for election GHABC. Hari ini kepon ke pemerintah Syom sang yang ini kajian. Syom sang ini kajian. Hello, check. Our school master Liling Green Kesanga. This is the General Secretary of NAT and President of AIGU Tura Regional Union. Welcome, sir. Master Ajay M. Marak, the senior citizen and the treasurer of NNE. Then also Master DG Momin, the Secretary General of AIGU. And the ex-president of the Garo Student Union Khasiels region, Mr. Sal Momin, along with all the students who have gathered here today. We welcome you to the program public meeting organized by the council. Islam ay kumlairo, kami hadir jangan kita dilambat mengilam lagi kenhut kopel. Ay kumlai hadir dan di Presiden Jongka CORP dan di Presiden Jongka JNC Presiden Jongka Hito i Wendy Kinuremba Pak Thomas Pasa Pak Pak Charlie i Wendy Kinhut for UHM Pak Kam Tamro Yau Chairman Ubadai Harjo Upur Presiden Jongka HYC Ubaroy Kupar Sendram Don Pengang Cikapki Nauta Gini Kendang Kiloban di Medang hadir Jonga.